Now students, you can understand that what is poverty line, and the poverty line, this is the cutoff line which divides the poor into poor and non-poor. That is, it divides the poor from poor, and that is those who are non-poor. And in poverty line we have taken the measures to determine the poverty line by the concept of consumption expenditure. So how we can determine the poverty line? The poverty line can be determined by, first is minimum calorie intake. Minimum calorie intake, we have taken that how much a person per day is taking calories in urban areas and in how much in rural areas. Second is monetary value of the minimum calorie intake. Minimum calorie intake we have taken as the criteria for measuring poverty line. तो मिनिमम कैलोरी इंटेक मीन्स जो वो कैलोरीज ले रहा है उस कैलोरीज में वो कितना पैसा खर्च कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स इट शुड बी कैलकुलेटेड इन द मॉनेटरी वैल्यू. मॉनेटरी वैल्यू मीन्स द मनी वैल्यू. आपने जो भी गुड्स, जितनी कैलोरीज आपको लेनी, उस कैलोरीज में आपको पर डे कितना पैसा खर्च करना है इन अर्बन एरियाज, एंड द पर्सन हु इज स्पेंडिंग कैलोरीज इनटेक इन रूरल एरियाज एज वेल एज इन अर्बन एरियाज. सो हमने इसको मॉनेटरी वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करके उसको मेजर किया. नेक्स्ट इज द पॉवर्टी लाइन डिवाइड्स द पुअर फ्रॉम नॉन पुअर. पॉवर्टी लाइन जो थी पुअर और नॉन पुअर को डिवाइड करती है. दैट इज ही कैन आइडेंटिफाई हु आर द पीपल पुअर एंड हु आर नॉन पुअर. कौन जो है वो गरीब है और जो है कौन है जो गरीब नहीं है. एंड दिस कैन बी डिसाइडेड बाय द कंजम्पशन रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द पीपल. Now categorizing poverty. After identifying the poverty line, how we have categorized the poverty? That is, poverty will be categorized into three different categories. That is, first is chronic poor. Chronic poor, this type of poor belongs to the particular category that the person who are absolutely poor, or they become always poor. वो शुरू से ही गरीब थे और गरीब ही हैं. The condition is like that they are not able to satisfy their minimum basic necessities and they are absolutely poor, जो कि हमेशा से ही पैदाइशी गरीब जिसे कहते हैं ना, हमेशा से ही born poor. They are born poor and they are known as chronic poor. Second is transient poor. Transient poor means the person who are not they are always not poor. They can be poor because of some uncertainties or because of some mishappenings. ये जो कहते हैं वो ये सेकंड कैटेगरीज में जो आते हैं वो हमेशा गरीब नहीं थे. मे बी दे कैन बी पुअर बिकॉज ऑफ सम अनसर्टनिटीज हैपन टू देम. मीन्स भाग्य से कह सकते हैं कि जब वो गरीब हो गए या उनका बिजनेस खराब हो गया, बिजनेस लॉस में चला गया, या कहीं पे उनका पैसा लगाया हुआ डूब गया, या वॉट एवर एनी रीजन, किसकी वजह से अगर एक व्यक्ति गरीब हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो पहले तो गरीब नहीं था, बट इट कैन बी पुअर बिकॉज ऑफ द डेस्टिनी और द फेट. तो दे इट इज नोन एज ट्रांजिएंट पुअर. मीन्स दे आर नॉट बॉर्न पुअर. ये पैदाइशी गरीब नहीं थे, बल्कि किसी कारणवश जो थे ये गरीब हो गए. नॉन पुअर, दीज आर द कैटेगरी इन विच द पर्सन आर नॉट पुअर. ये वो कैटेगरी जिसमें कि जो पर्सन है वो कभी भी गरीब नहीं थे. दे आर नेवर पुअर. सो द पर्सन हु आर नेवर पुअर आर नोन एज नॉन पुअर. सो देयर आर थ्री कैटेगरीज इन विच वी आर डिवाइडिंग द पुअर पर्सन: chronic poor, transient poor and non poor. Now student, this you can understand what is poverty and what is who are poor, and how we can identify the poor person. That is, the poor person can be identified by the poverty line concept. That is, the poverty line is the line which divides the people into poor and non poor, and the person who are living below poverty line is known as absolutely poor. और वो person है कि जो कि they are poor because they are not able to satisfy their minimum basic necessities. But some people are against the concept of poverty line. Poverty line के concept के against में थे because they are thinking that poverty line is only taking the criteria of consumption requirement. सिर्फ खाने को ही poverty line ने अपना concept माना है, and poverty line has neglected the social factors like health है, लोगों की illiteracy है, unemployment है. ये जो they are the other reason which are neglected by poverty line. Poverty line ने इन सारे reasons पे कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया, सिर्फ कंजम्पशन को क्राइटेरिया लिया है. तो देयर आर सम पीपल हु आर अगेंस्ट विद दिस कंसेप्ट, एंड सम आर सेइंग कि द क्राइटेरिया इज ऑलवेज दैट डिवाइडिंग द पर्सन इनटू कैलोरी इनटेक इज समटाइम is not suitable for each and every person, and this poverty line concept is criticized by different ways. So you can and the poverty can be categorized into chronic poverty, transient poverty, and the person who are non-poor. Poverty is in India, we are having from the beginning, that is from the colonial period, we are suffering from poverty. Colonial government has exploited our Indian economy. That is, they have exploited our resources. They have drained our Indian resources to their own country, and that is why they have completely exploited India, and the people will remain poor. The other another reason of poverty in India is that the people are basically involved in agriculture work, means they don't find jobs in another sector. Maximum people are working in agriculture sector, and even they are not having proper land holdings. Their land holdings are scattered one, and also their productivity is very low. Then also they remain engaged in the particular work only, and they will remain poor because their earnings from the agriculture sector is not that much so that they can fulfill their basic necessities, और वो गरीबी में ही रहते हैं. इसके अलावा नेक्स्ट हमारा जो रीजन था दैट इज इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर. आर इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर वाज नॉट गुड एट दैट टाइम, सो फ्रॉम द इंडिपेंडेंस टाइम in India we are suffering poverty because of the exploitation of the British government. After independence also our country is facing poverty, that still we are now planners are thinking for development of the country. They have made 5-year plans, new economic policy they have introduced so that the number of poor people will remain decreasing. But then also poverty will remain acute in our country, and we are doing we are measuring measures to solve the poverty in India. That is we want that very less number of poor people will be there in India, and maximum number of non poor will be there, so that we can make our country the developed country.